For math today, we're going to be playing a game with some of the papers that are inside of your distance learning kit. So the papers that you're going to need for this activity are the How Many Altogether page and the Bee and Ladybug cutouts. Once you have your two pieces of paper, you're only going to need some scissors and some crayons if you want to have your child kind of decorate their mat. They can work on coloring the How Many Altogether mat. They can color the flowers, or you can also have them color in their ladybugs and bees. So I'm going to have Candrelyn help me cut up our ladybugs and bees. If your child is still working on cutting, go ahead and cut out the insects for them, and then just have them cut the lines in between each bug. That way they're still getting their fine motor practice, but it's not as complicated as going around the corners of the full object. When you play, you're going to want to have the mat facing your child and make sure that you have your bugs on the table. It does help if you color it, because then you can say purple flowers or yellow flowers. So for example, we're going to have bzzz, boop, one bee on the orange flower, bzzz, boop, two bees on the orange flowers, bzzz, boop, three bees on the orange flowers, and two ladybugs on the blue flowers. Then you would ask your child, how many altogether?
5.
5. And how do you know that there's 5 of them, Candrelyn?
3 plus 2 equals 5.
3 plus 2 equals 5. So Candrelyn's in first grade, so her math is a little bit more advanced. If your child can't identify the number altogether, they might say, I don't know, then help them through it. Say, ooh, let's count them all together. And ask them to use their pointing finger and touch each bug as we count it. And your child might do this also. They might count 1, 2, 3, and then they might stop right there. If they do that, then I want you to guide them to go to the next one and say, oh, there's another one, 3, 4, and help them count on to the next number. Okay, now I'm going to play with Leon, all right? Leon, we're going to put some bugs onto the board.
Okay.
Ready? Bzzz, bzzz.
I thought that was a ladybug. Can I do it first?
Hang on.
Your turn.
Leon, how many altogether? How many bugs are there?
1,
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yeah.
Can we count them all together? Help me.
1,
2. Here, and try again.
3,
1.
2.
Let's start over. Let's start with 1. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4. We are playing with both of the bugs at the same time. If that's too much for your child, then just go ahead and use only one kind of bug. And then you can put them on different flowers. So you can put some on the different flowers and have your child count all the ladybugs.